So if your iPhone is not showing message notifications on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or new iPhone Air, don't worry, let's quickly fix this issue in the easiest way possible. So first you have to check a few important settings. So from your control center, make sure do not disturb is turned off. And also make sure no focus mode like sleep, work or driving is enabled. Next, from your control center, you can refresh your network settings by turning on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turning it off again. Now check whether your SIM is activated. For that, you have to go to your settings, then cellular. So select your SIM and make sure the SIM you are using is turned on. This often fixes SMS or carrier related notifications issue. After this, now restart your iPhone, press volume up button, then volume down button, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Now check if your notifications are working. If it's still not working, now you have to check the main notification settings. So from your settings, go to apps, and now from the messages settings, go to notifications, and here you have to make sure allow notification is enabled. And now from the lock screen, notification center and banners are selected from here. You can also adjust the sound pages and other options to ensure everything is fully allowed. After checking this out, now check if you are missing notifications from one specific person. So from your contact app, select that person and make sure they're not blocked. If they're blocked, just unblock them from here and see your notification will work fine or not. And lastly, if nothing else works, check for an iOS update, go to settings, then general, and from software update, here you have to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version. And that's it. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.